In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable IE mode in Microsoft Edge. This is a handy feature for those of you who may need to access sites that require Internet Explorer compatibility while using the modern, faster Edge browser. So let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. You'll find the familiar icon on your desktop or perhaps on your taskbar. Once it launches, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you will see three small dots aligned vertically. This is the menu button that opens up a world of settings and options for us to explore. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. As you scroll down this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new window where you can fine-tune Edge to suit your browsing needs. Within the Settings window, turn your eyes to the left-hand sidebar. Over here, you'll need to click on Profiles. This section is all about managing your web identity and personalized browsing settings. It's important to feel comfortable with where you're heading because the navigation is crucial for efficiency. Now, once you've located the Profiles section, take a moment to find Profile Preferences within it. Click on this category to further expand your customization options. Here, within the Profiles context is where we will take the next key step towards enabling the desired IE mode. Look closely, and you'll see something called IE Mode Switch. This option is what allows you to integrate Internet Explorer's compatibility into your Edge browser seamlessly. You'll notice a button positioned on the right side of this option. It might currently be gray or slid to its left position, which indicates that the feature is disabled. What you need to do is click on this button to enable it. When you do, the button will slide to the right and might change color, signaling that IE mode is now activated. This effectively transforms Edge into a dual-engine browser, combining the latest in browsing technology with the flexibility of accessing older web platforms when necessary. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled IE mode within Microsoft Edge. This feature ensures that your browsing remains uninterrupted, even when you come across websites optimized for the good old Internet Explorer. You can now browse with the confidence that your browser is equipped to handle whatever site requirements come your way. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you're ready to put this feature to good use. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your digital life.